Hi, I'm Magi Helena. Welcome to the future of astrology. Old school astrology is just one-dimensional, but you're not one-dimensional, and neither is the universe. Think about it. How could any astrology be accurate if it isn't based on an accurate model of the cosmos? Good news is that 35 plus years of statistical data crunching has revealed an astrology system so accurate it's actionable. Modern science-based astrology can be a consistent and reliable resource, which can really noticeably help you in your life. I've now helped tens of thousands of people across the U.S. and more than 40 countries around the world to live their best life with my instant and affordable astrology tools. Now you can instantly understand your relationships. Now you can instantly get your personal right and wrong timing for love, money, beauty, health, fame, and more. Timing is everything, and knowledge is power. Take charge of your life.